Hi, I am Rash Ravi Shankar with another episode of Fridaypoems. Uh, and thank you for the cooperation. We are getting poems from many poets as I requested for. Others will get requests over email or messenger, whatever. The poet we are introducing today is Prathap Kamath, who is from Kerala. He has published three collections of poetry, which are Ekalavya, a book of poems, Tableau, poems of life and creatures, and Black Spring, Blood Rain, and other stories is his short story collection. His poems have appeared in Chandrabhaga, Muse India, Bombay Literary Magazine, Vayavya, the Madras Courier, Journal of Literature and Aesthetics, etc., and anthologized in the Dance of the Peacock, an anthology of English poetry from India, published by Hidden Brook Press in 2013, and Witness, the Red River Book of Poetry and Dissent, published in 2021. He used to work as assistant professor of English in Kollam and has retired now. He'll be reading two poems today for us, the Black Spring and Call It Syria. So over to Prathap Kamath for reading his poems. Thank you.
Hello all. I wish to thank Ravi Shankar for giving me this opportunity to present my poems in his program Friday Poems. I will be presenting two poems here today. The first one is Black Spring and the second one, Call It Syria. Black Spring. There are those who say that soon there will be no birds on the trees, no butterflies amongst the flowers, that a silent spring is around the corner. However, where I live, it is always spring upon the trees and among the flowers. The birds and the butterflies come with soot of the brown smoke from chemical factories, and the black smoke the vehicles cough on their wings. They come, chirp, flitter over the garden flowers. There is a mango tree in the courtyard of the house across the street where a doctor lives. He is a forensic surgeon. He does postmortems. He had planted it the day he probed the corpse of a girl, 3 years of age, with semen in her. His eyes were flowing red while he dug the ground. His tears wet the sapling. The tree is now heavy with mangoes and bends over his wall to the street. Its leaves almost touch the ground. The birds and the butterflies are all over it, with soot on their wings. Call it Syria. It will be less complicated to cry looking at severed hands, bleeding heads, torn legs. Opening the ears to sounds of rain from bombers, less strainful. Easier to hold a still infant while its warmth drips down your fingers, or to throw the dead in large pits, one over the other, like a card illusionist. But to put Vivaldi's Spring on a gramophone, sitting in the ruins of your apartment, overlooking the shredded city, will be the feat of a hero.